Namaste, I'm Minnie and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making two really simple breakfast recipes as at times it can get little overwhelming what to eat in the morning, especially on busy days. So let's get started. The first breakfast recipe we are making is with chickpeas. I have also listed all these ingredients in the description section as well. So soak the chickpeas overnight or for 6 to 7 hours. Now we are going to boil the chickpeas. First add them to a pressure cooker. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric. I prefer using a pressure cooker as it's a faster way to boil the chickpeas. They are usually done in 3 whistles. After that, heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Then add 1 finely chopped onion and 2 to 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Give everything a mix. This is such a quick recipe and it hardly takes 5 to 6 minutes to assemble in the morning. The only time consuming part is to prep the chickpeas, and that can be done even in the night before going to bed. Cook the onion and garlic for 3 to 5 minutes over medium or high heat. Keep stirring it so it doesn't stick to the pan. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste. Give it a mix. Now add boiled chickpeas to the pan and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. I'm also going to add juice of half lemon. I just love doing this, but you can completely skip this step if you are not a fan of lemon. Give everything a mix. You can always add additional seasoning or additional spices of your choice, and the quick chickpeas breakfast is ready. This is one of my go-to breakfast recipe where I have to just prep the chickpeas in the night before going to bed, and I can make them so quickly in the morning. If you like, you can always top it up with some hummus or avocados, and it's so good. I like to have mine with some green tea, and there you go guys. Now let's go ahead and see the second quick breakfast recipe. Boiled and stir-fried green lentils, also known as mung beans. I have also listed the ingredients in the description section so you can check it from there as well. Heat water in a pan and add the green lentils or mung beans to it. I usually soak the green lentils overnight, but you can directly add them to water as well because they get cooked rather quickly. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes for them to get cooked completely. I would suggest you to soak them overnight if you want to decrease the cooking time. While the green lentil is getting cooked, we'll chop 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. I'm cutting them into thin slices just like this. As you would have seen by now that I like to use a lot of garlic in all my recipes as they bring such great flavor to the food. Now we'll cut 1 inch of ginger. I'm going to cut them in juliennes just like this. Now let's heat a pan and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. You can always decrease the quantity of oil you're using for the breakfast. And if you don't prefer to use oil, you can just dry roast ginger and garlic with some splashes of water. Now add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. And once the seed starts to crackle, go ahead and add the sliced ginger and garlic. Now give everything a mix. Cook them till they are nicely golden brown. As you can see, the ginger and garlic is slightly turning brown. This will take around 3 to 4 minutes over medium heat. At this point, we'll go ahead and add the mung beans or green lentils without the water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. You can also add pepper if you like, but I like this recipe without pepper. Now add half bowl of coconut powder. I'm using desiccated coconut powder here. Give everything a mix. Cook this for 2 to 3 minutes after adding the desiccated coconut powder. And that's it guys. The green lentils or mung beans breakfast is ready. See how easy it was. It's really healthy, high in protein, and so tasty. Again, a perfect recipe on busy days when you don't know what to make. I have listed few of the benefits of eating green lentils. Make sure to check them out. So, if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. If you're still looking for more vegan videos, click right here. I will see you soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.